Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I achieve a kinky coil crochet extension using an X-pression braiding hair. You can actually find this hair in any local beauty supply store. I cut it in two halves, then I stretch it. You can also buy a pre-stretched one already. Then I'm using some rubber bands and some straws. So without much ado, let's get down to this video. Okay, as you can see, I already have my thread prepared. You can use a wool or any thread of your choice. So you want to take a little piece like so. You open it up and grab You can also do it the opposite way, like so. Okay guys, I've got this much. You can see how nice the thing is looking. I'm going to put this in hot water, then I'll come back and show you how it turns out. Okay guys, after putting it in hot water, I let it air dry overnight. So I'll take it out so you see how it turns out. Guys, I finished taking it out. This is how it turns out. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there and turn on your notification bell so anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.